welcome to my channel, Crafted by Christine. Today we're gonna be making this super cute and adorable Disney ornament, and I hope you love it. Let's get crafty. The materials are this felt, a glue gun, some scissors, these acrylic gem jewels I got from Michael's. I also got some poly fit fiber fill and pins, and I printed and cut this out to use as my outline. Here I'm getting into those tedious tiny little edges and corners just so I can get that perfect Mickey shape. I'm going to add glue all over the outline of the Mickey except for in the middle, because that's where we're going to add in our fiber fill. When you're adding your fiber fill, put a little bit at a time so you get the perfect consistency and squishiness. Now we're gonna glue the acrylic gems. I suggest you plan out your design before actually gluing the gems on. It just make it way easier. What I did is I designed it and then I took a picture of it with my cell phone, and that's what I'm using as reference. Ta-da! Look how pretty, it's adorable. It's like, let's see, about 4 by 5 inches. So it's, to me, it's the perfect size, because I like my ornaments to be a little bit bigger just because I have a bigger tree. And this one is just perfect. I love the colors, it's so pretty. And at first I was going for like a Little Mermaid theme kind of thing. And then it just turned into a very pretty ornament. I still get those Little Mermaid colors, but isn't it so pretty? Our last step is to put the little hook in, and I'm gonna use this because it was just on my desk and I don't feel like looking for the other tool that I have, but it's pretty much the same thing. All you need is like something with a sharp end to make a little hole. So we're gonna make it right about here. It has to be like kind of centered a little bit. I already started messing it with it from the back just so I can know more or less where to put it. And so it's saying like about here, and I just want to wiggle it around a little bit. And voila! Ta-ta-da-ta-da. So pretty. All right, I'm gonna twist it. And there you go. Here is the cutest little ornament. I cannot wait to make more. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, give it a thumbs up if you love it, and thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.